Just days before a new president takes the oath of office, a former president and his wife are in the hospital tonight. Doctors are treating both George H.W. Bush and his wife, Barbara Bush.
NBC's Chris Clackham tonight has more details on their health issues and what's being done right now to help them both.
Less than 2 weeks ago, former President George H.W. Bush was at the Houston Texans playoff football game. By Saturday, he was admitted to Houston Methodist Hospital, complaining about shortness of breath. By Wednesday, the former president was moved to the hospital's intensive care unit to, quote, address an acute respiratory problem stemming from pneumonia. Also Wednesday, his wife, former First Lady Barbara Bush, joined him in the hospital, admitted as a precaution for fatigue and a persistent cough. And with that came immediate response from Washington.
They have been a constant source of friendship and support and good counsel for Michelle and me over the years. They are as fine a couple as we know, and so we want to send our prayers.
The 41st president, who served from 1989 to 1993, has a form of Parkinson's disease and uses a motorized scooter or wheelchair for mobility. Bush turned 92 last summer, and his office announced earlier this month that he and Barbara would not attend Donald Trump's inauguration this week due to the former president's age and health. Chris Clackham, NBC News.
And here now is a closer look at that letter from former President George H.W. Bush to President-elect Donald Trump. In that letter, he jokes that his doctor says if he or Barbara sat outside at the inauguration, it would put them 6 feet under. He also says he will be there in spirit, wishes Mr. Trump all the best, and offers help in any way that he can.